So today we are doing a makeup tutorial using the Modern Renaissance palette. This is my go-to makeup look anytime I do anything, anywhere, ever. And I always get so many compliments on it, and it seriously is so quick and easy. Like, I mean, it doesn't look like it, but you'll see why. I give you a lot of tips and I do a bunch of things, and it's really easy, honestly. And literally doing my eyes, my makeup and eyeliner literally takes like, and mascara and everything takes like 15 minutes tops. There's some makeup looks where you're blending for like 30 minutes till your arm falls off. But yes, so I show you in this video my go-to Modern Renaissance makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Just ignore this tape. I'm leaving that on there just so I can get them even when I put this side on. So the first thing I always do with this look is put tape on my eye. You want to make sure that you put it on the back of your hand a few times and make it less sticky. Otherwise you'll like, oh my god, it's so painful. Just believe me, it'll like tear your skin off. And then I just line it up with the other one. Normally, like, it wouldn't be done already, you feel. Okay, so I think they're even, so I'm just gonna take this one off now. Oh my god, I just took off all my makeup I just put on my face. Oh, I would recommend if you do the tape thing, do it after you do your face makeup. I did it before just for the video so you wouldn't have to look at my bare naked skin. So my eyelids are primed, I have my tape on. Really the angle's up to you. Just remember you'll be doing eyeliner on it, so really however like winged up you like your eyeliner, that's kind of like what I do at least. And if you have hooded eyes like me, make sure you don't put it on like your eyelid crease. You feel me? I know you do. So my eyelids are primed and set. So I'm gonna go in with my Modern Renaissance palette. And the first shade I'm going to take is Raw Sienna. And I'm using the brush it came with, and I'm using the fluffy side. And what I do with this look is I start everything in the outer corner of the eye and then I blend inwards. So you can take the transition shade up a little higher because it is a lighter color. You can bring lighter colors up higher, but just make sure you keep the darker colors closer to the crease. At least that's what I recommend, just what I think looks good and helps blend everything. Next, I'm taking Burnt Orange. Doing the same thing, just building up that color. I really, what I do with my eyeshadow to really help blend it and just build up the colors and just all that good stuff is I start with lighter colors and I work my way up to the darker ones. So like oh my god, there's a cat hair on my face. Or is that a string? I don't know, I'm sorry. It's like for this look, it's clearly red. So I'm starting out with like the tans and I'm gonna go to the oranges and then I'm gonna go to the reds to like build up the color. Next, I'm going in with Real Gar. That one right there. So we're starting to get a little darker. So to help you from blending all the way up to your eyebrow, what you're gonna wanna do with your brush is instead of put it like this, tilt it down like that. Because if you do it like that, you'll just blend up. But this way you keep it right in your crease. Another tip I have is keep your eye open or like half open, maybe like tilt your head back a little bit. But keep it open so you can see where your crease is and it'll just like fit right in your crease and you can just follow the natural shape of your crease if your eye's open or at least half open. So that's some more tips. So I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna make sure it's slanted downwards. And I'm gonna start with the colors in the outer corner. This is why the tape is like amazing, because you don't have to worry about, it's just so much easier. Like, I don't know. And then just blend. Another thing for this look is I'm trying to keep the outer colors on the outermost, and so I'm like, the darker I get, the less I will take the color in, like towards my inner corner, inner crease. Really helps with the gradient effect and just the blend of the look and everything. Also, my hair's like still wet and like crazy from my shower, so don't judge her. Okay, so now we're gonna get a little darker. First, I'm gonna go in with Love Letter. That one right there. So literally, especially with reds or any dark color, you wanna build it. I feel is like the best way to get the blend really nice. So literally I'm just like that is literally it. Just a little dip. Put it in the outer corner, outer crease, whatever you wanna call it. And then blend with your brush slanted downwards. And don't be afraid to use the tape. That's what it's there for. Like, I like blend shit onto it all, like so much. You'll see, especially with like the eyeliner, I like draw all over it with the eyeliner. That's what it's there for. So just use it. Next, I'm going with Venetian Red. Venetian. I don't know how to say any of these shades for real. Just a little dip. Little dip. Place it on your outer corner. I like start the tape and like go like that with it to like place it there, and then blend with my brush facing downward. Also, I'm sorry about my under eye bags. Just like I talk about this in every video. There's no hope for them. Nothing will ever in my life cover them. So just like ignore them. Just accept them. And I'm sorry. I can't help it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm still not done with the crease yet, but I'm just like cleaning off this brush on a tissue. Also, I love this brush. Every time I do this look, this is the only brush I use. And I'm just cleaning off that brush, and I'm going back in with Raw Sienna, and I'm putting it like right on the edge of the color to blend it. Like just really lightly. I find that the lighter the hand, even when you're blending, really helps. Like you don't want your eye to feel raw by the end of your makeup look, which, not gonna lie, I've definitely been there, done that. But you know, just try to go with a light hand. You don't have to rub your eyelid off blending everything. So yeah, there we go. I'm just gonna go back in with the red, building it up till I like the intensity of it. I do for my eyelid. I ran out of my setting spray and I ran out of my rose water spray, so I'm literally just using a squirt bottle of water. Like, you don't need anything fancy. You could use your spit if you wanted to. I have used the condensation of a cup before. Not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna get everything on my floor wet. Actually, this is not the brush I even used. So I just got that wet for no reason. Okay, here we go. Change of plans, I'm using this brush because it's what I use on my other eye, and I'm just spraying it. Then I just wipe off the water around the silver part. And then I kind of go like that on my hand just because you don't want it too wet. Like, you don't want to ruin the colors in your palette. The first color I'm going to go in with is Vermeer. Just that sparkly shade right there. And I'm placing this on the inner part of my eyelid. For real. Laundry's done. Okay. And I'm just gonna build that up. Next, I'm taking the one under it, Primavera. Is that like a noodle? I'm like pretty sure that's a noodle or pasta sauce. It's just a little more gold. So I'm kind of building a gradient here to the red, basically. So you have your champagne-y shade, then you have more of a gold shade to blend into the darker red. And then next I'm taking Antique Bronze. Very lightly. Like I'm literally just using that to blend this into the red. Sorry if you can hear my gerbil. What are you doing awake, little man? And yeah, and then I don't like any type of glitter sparkle in my crease. So I'm just going to make sure none of that's in there. I don't know why. I'm just weird, I guess. Okay, so this is the eyeliner I use. It is the Tarteist. I believe it's their clay liner. Yeah, it's their clay paint liner. And this is just the brush it came with. I'm just taking a mascara. This is I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara by Essence. You can wear fake lashes if you want. I know most people probably will. If I was going out, I might, but I have really sensitive eyes. And when I wear fake lashes, my eyes just water and water and water. And it's painful and it's really uncomfortable, and so I'm not even gonna mess with that today, especially because I have to go to Hobby Lobby after this, and I don't feel like going to Hobby Lobby with fake eyelashes on. I'm gonna take this tape off, and I already know it's gonna take all my face makeup off. Do not put the tape on with your face makeup on. Oh yeah, I don't like that wing at all. Damn it. Okay, let me fix that. Yeah, a rough one. Of course, when I do a tutorial, it doesn't turn out good. But like this wing, she was a good one. I'm gonna go back in with my palette, and I'm just going to take Tempera. Is that a noodle? Like, what are these names? And I'm just putting it under my brow bone, blending it down. But don't worry, we aren't done with that highlight. Now we're taking our little itty bitty brush. By the way, this is from BH Cosmetics. I didn't say that before. We're taking the first shimmery shade we used and placing it right under that eyebrow. Is that like a sin to use eyeshadow as a highlight? I really don't care, and I'm just using a Real Techniques brush. Like, it works fine, like, why not? Now to the under eye. I almost forgot, for real. I'm honestly just waiting for my camera to overheat at this point. I'm going in, I'm just literally going in the order I did on my eyelid. Raw Sienna. Going into burnt orange now. Yeah, my camera overheated. Called that one. You didn't miss much, I promise. All I did was I put Love Letter on my bottom lashes. I added my inner corner highlight, what was just Vermeer. And then put bottom mascara on. So now onto lip color. This is, ow, headache. This is the best makeup trick ever. Chapstick on your lips, take the cheapest lip liner you can find. This is from Rimmel. I believe it's in, yeah, it's in wine. And it goes on your lips like butter. And you don't even need a lipstick. I'll show you. Like that, baby. There you go. Now it's matte. Okay, so that is the finished look. Like I said, this is my go-to makeup look if I ever go out, if I ever have an event of any kind, like a wedding or anything. I always wear this makeup look and I always get so many compliments. And it's seriously so easy with the tape. Like, it's so easy, and I wanted to show it to you guys. I hope you liked this tutorial. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.